you can't ask God for things or manifest new things while improperly taking care of the things you already have. The real question is, if I just have a lot of stuff, or am I a hoarder? I've got a hoarder lineage, right? My mother is a little bit of a hoarder. Well, she's full blown, and I'm working hard every day to not become that. But as a beauty influencer, and I get 6 to 7 to 8 packages maybe per day, as a person who creates content, I never know what I'm going to need, right? And so I say, I'm going to need this, so I'm going to hold on to it. And I haven't used it yet, or I've only worn it once, and it still fits, and this will be perfect for this scene, so I'm holding on to it. But still, I go out and collect new things daily, or I travel and collect new things. So I do have a relationship to stuff that I probably need to unpack a little bit. But when I realize I haven't worn it for not only just 2 seasons, but maybe for a full year, or it's gone 2 years and I haven't ever pulled that sweater out of the chest, it doesn't matter how much I've paid for it or whatever, it's just time to get rid of it. Soon I'm going to be looking for new space, right? Because a home, I've been thinking about purchasing a home because I want the beautiful things that I've collected to be here with me. Now, I don't want excess here with me, but in my 2-bedroom apartment that I currently live in, I want it to look like something out of, AD, Architectural Digest. I want you to come in. My life is fabulous. And it should not be overcrowded by clothes on every chair when you walk through the door. Because then it does not feel as fabulous as it actually is. And I want it to feel and be as fabulous as it actually is. And I also believe you can't ask God for things or manifest new things while improperly taking care of the things you already have. And I feel like I'm improperly taking care of the things that I already have. So part of the tackling of the hoard today is when Kamaria comes, we go through the beauty room and see if there's anything she wants. I know people in my life who have wish lists, like, baby, pattern beauty, ooh, I love it, pattern love. Can I keep it on hand, on deck? Steamer, gone. Blow dryer, gone. Curl cream, gone. Scalps, when Kamaria sees that scalp cleanse today, it will be gone. I will use it one time and she'll be like, oh mom, I love this and I love the fragrance or whatever. So anyway, I use products because I want to review them, but anything that anybody wants where I have an excess of, whether it be shampoo, conditioner, makeup, lip gloss or whatever, perfume, they are free to have it. And then clothes. So what I've decided about clothes, I looked at a picture of me, insert picture, with these red pants and this, and that are forever old, and this pink top. Yes, it's pink, right? Red pants, pink top. And I said, will I ever wear that again? My style has changed and morphed. So as my style continues to grow and my wardrobe changes because my style is changing and growing, the things that I no longer would wear, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. I'm see if my daughter wants them. We're going to do, when she gets here, I pulled a whole bunch of things for her to take a look at and see if she has any use for them at all. And if not, then we're just going to straight to Goodwill. Okay, so we're going to the beauty room. We are in the no judgment zone. Recognize the things you see on the desk are things that I got this week only. Okay, this is for off camera. Please don't pan the whole room, Kamaria. Don't do the couch and all that. Just kind of do right here. Yes, she does the whole couch. Okay, so yes, it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. These are simply the things I got this week. Okay, so I went to a La Mer event, got some La Mers, and I got some La Mer in the mail. And it's going to go up here on my La Mer shelf. So, Claudeline, which I use 2 or 3 products of, I'm going to switch to Claudeline altogether for probably the next 2-3 months. I'm going to make an assessment, go through it, see what I like best and determine. But it's just really getting all the things on my shelf because I don't want to put them in. I do have a couple bins here, but the bins are clear and see-through, so I can still see what's in them. Huda stuff, body care. Like, I try and keep all the products where I know what they are, because if I can't see them, I won't use them. So that is why this space was created for me, or I created for myself. But yeah, so and they're all separated by brand. I'm just setting that there for the moment so that doesn't fall. But this, oh, as I am. That's what's in here. Let's look and see. As you guys can see, I'm behind the camera. No gun, no weapons. But I am trying to force this along. Her tongue is lethal. I'm trying to force this along in a very systematic way. So my suggestion to her was, before we just go opening all the boxes, because as you can see in some boxes she doesn't even know what's in there. Let's start with this half of the room. Let me show you guys where we're standing. With this half of the room, because as you see, we've got more stuff here and a couch behind me, but we're going to start with this half. And if it's not on the shelf or in the closet, basically this whole desk and some of the stuff up there, we're going to take it into the living room, sort through it. If it can't fit on that shelf or in a drawer somewhere by the end of all this, it needs to go. Reportedly, it needs to go. Oh, can I show you one cool thing? Can I show you one cool thing that's not even going outside in the box? I went to an event the other day. This is from Nuance Audio. These are hearing glasses. So you all have seen the Meta glasses that work as a camera. These work as hearing aids. There's the things right there. You sync them to your phone. You can control the volume on your phone. You can make it directly or surround sound audio. And this is for their hearing aids. So this is staying. But I go places, I get cool things, I meet cool people. And this was one of the featured products from this week. Do we need the whole box? Is there a way we can just like showcase the glasses maybe with the whole glasses set up? That well, it's got things and instructions and different things, and until I get it synced to the phone, I like to keep the box. We'll put her up here with Barbie. Okay. And I know you can say take it outside, but look, it's just so cute. Okay, let's take it out. I'm taking everything out. There's only so many boxes you can keep. Oh no, I'm not keeping any of the boxes.
I like to keep the box.
I spend a great deal of my day breaking down boxes, so I'm getting rid of all boxes. So what we have her doing right now is making a pile of the things that she absolutely must keep from the room. I'm still bringing stuff out. Briogeo Scalp Reviving Charcoal and Coconut Oil. Keep. Right. K18, keep. Yes. Wow. That's cute. Okay, I'm going to share this. I know my niece Jory loves Summer Fridays, and my daughter also loves Summer Fridays, and I still have some left over from before. So this is going to be shared. Fumi just came out with Exalte. I can't wait to try this and use this. It is her perfume line, and that is 1000% a keep. Okay, this is something I bought off the TikTok shop. The coconut. So that's a keeper. What is this? Sleepwear. Mulberry silk. Oh, it looks like... Okay. I do not enjoy sleeping with eye mask on. This is a silk one. They're saying the silk is now better than satin. I'm going to see if Kamaria wants this. Sunday Riley. Cleansing oil. Okay, currently I am using Elemis and First Aid Beauty. I would like to try this. Okay, your box is getting full after that box. What? Girl, I get to keep more than one box. How many dry brushes do we need? How many what? Dry brushes do we need? Oh, 3 or 4. So we were able to get rid of a lot of things. I know you're looking around like, oh, she's keeping a lot. I am keeping a lot, but this is what I do for a living. I'm going to test these things out and try them before I just randomly give them away. We're keeping a lot, and now we just have to find a home for it. And then we'll be moving on to clothes. So we've got a lot of things in the box down there for giveaway. We've got a ton of stuff over here for Goodwill. Okay. We have this pile of stuff right here for Kamaria to try on. Boxes that have to be broken down from other things we unwrapped to give away. Like, we've been making great progress. So it's not a one-day job. And so all of this stuff was in bags and boxes and different stuff. So this is the last of the things I have to clean. The couch is cleaned off, largely for the most part.
In my opinion, there's still too much stuff in here. Like, all of our storage is full, and there's still more stuff, but it's a process.
We may extend the shelves. We may go to the store to see about extending the shelves.
It's a process.
All right, we're on day 2. I think we've made some, we've accomplished some goals. Kamari's picked a lot of things that she's taking home with her. I've gotten the top of the desk cleaned off. We broke down all the boxes and got them to the dumpster. And then we have a whole giveaway box that I'm going to put together. Now, the second part of the things that I did in here was pull some of the clothes out of this closet, pull some of the clothes out of the chest that's in front of the couch here. And now we're about to have a good old day of goodwill or gift to Kamaria. This is a good start. I feel like I can breathe in here. Now listen, tonight I might get 6 more boxes, but this is a good start for now. Okay, my daughter Kamaria Layla is in town, and I have things in my closet that I've been purging. So now we're about to play a game of gift or goodwill. Hi, Kamaria Layla's in town? Hi, Kamaria Layla's in town, and I have things in my... Hi, Kamaria Layla's in town, and I have things in my closet that I have purged. So now we're going to play a quick game of goodwill or gift.
Okay, can I try an intro?
Mm-hmm.
We're back, and I'm at my mom's house in New York. As you guys know, all moms have too much stuff. So today, we're going to go through a pile of these clothes and decide if I'm going to take them as a gift or if she's going to give them the goodwill.
This little wild fable number that's been in my closet forever, let's see it on Kamaria.
Okay, guys, it's going to be a no for me. I mean, if the jacket fit right, it would be cool, but I don't know. I just feel like maybe it's too big or too boxy or something. Like, well, you didn't even show it to him.
Right, you can still just walk by.
I'm not sure how to feel about this one. I feel like it could be a little childish, but I also feel like I might play with it. So I think this one's going to come with me.
I think it's kind of cute. What do you think?
Okay, now this was a headache to get into, but I will say she's eating. This is cute.
That's cute, don't you think?
Mm-hmm. Cute. I definitely don't know where she was going in this, but don't worry, it's coming with me.
That's cute.
Cute for summer. I like that. Another fun summer look. So another little fun summer dress.
I'll pull the center lower. What do you think? Jean-Paul Gaultier, circa 2021. Circa what? Circa vintage Jean-Paul Gaultier.
You guys absolutely know this one's coming with me. Super cute. I guess very much me going into the office pissing them off. Good morning.
Okay, it looks like we're about done here. She has got a plethora of things that she can go through. Next up, what happens is I get a new desk and chair for the office. I'm trying to make it more ergonomic and a stand-up desk and maybe put a treadmill underneath. But I just need to simplify and fix my life where it works for me and everything's in motion. Come on, Kamaria, let's get out of here. Now we're gonna go shopping.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.